In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a visualization as a filter in Tableau. This is a fantastic way to make your dashboards more interactive and tailored to your audience's interests. So, let's get started on this journey to enhance your data storytelling. First, you want to begin by opening the Tableau public app. That's your starting point for creating dynamic data visualizations. Once you've got Tableau open, you'll need to access your worksheet. It's essential to have your data and visualizations ready before we get into the filtering actions. Next, you must ensure that you have a dashboard with at least two visualizations. This is crucial because we will use one visualization as a filter for the others. Think of it like setting a focal point that influences what information the rest of your dashboard displays. Now, it's time to click on the visualization you want to use as a filter. This selection step is where you decide which graph or chart will dictate changes throughout your dashboard. Once you've picked your visualization, go ahead and click the Use as Filter icon, which resembles a funnel located on the toolbar. This action will enable the filtering capability. Once activated, whenever you select marks in the filter visualization, you'll notice that the other visualizations on your dashboard automatically update. They will reflect only the data that corresponds to your selections, giving an immediate dynamic response to your clicks. Should you want to refine how this filtering works, you have the option to further customize it. Head over to the Dashboard menu and select Actions. This is where the real magic happens. You'll need to select the filter action you wish to modify. If you're looking to tweak settings, such as adjusting which sheets are affected or defining the type of filter, you'll do it all here. By clicking Edit, you're given the reins to adjust settings like source and target sheets, as well as filter types. These adjustments let you specify exactly how the filtered data will display across your dashboard, allowing for an even deeper level of customization based on your analytical needs. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use a visualization as a filter in Tableau to make your dashboards more interactive and insightful. By following these steps, you can transform static data into a dynamic visual narrative tailored to your audience's needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy visualizing.